Well, close myself up there. It's 10 to 9 in the morning on a Tuesday, and it's raining, and it's starting to thunder and lightning.
Come on down to the dawn of the world. Let's take that path through the atmosphere and give 4,000 answers to all of your questions, and maybe it will all become clear.
There's not much of it yet, but I've just seen 2 lightnings and some fair bit of thunder. It's on the weather radar, and it looks like it's going to be a lot of rain, maybe. And my friend Ralph, who I'm talking to on Facebook, he showed me a different radar that shows lightning as well, and a big lightning patch goes over the top of where I live. So it's going to be a fun day, considering I have to go meet someone at 3 o'clock to talk to her about some information and learning Dutch. I've got a number in an email from her, just have to call it and then I'll have to see her later. Yes, hopefully it won't rain, as I'm just going to take the bike, and I can't ride a bike and hold an umbrella at the same time. It's just impossible. Well, I can ride one-handed like this, but I shake a lot, and if I have to turn corners and cross a road, it's just going to be low. So hopefully it'll be raining as less as possible, then I can just put a jacket over my head, or hood, you know what I mean. I thought about it. I saw a flash of like pinkish lightning, and then like a little tiny start of a crack, but it stopped. There it goes. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's thunder. And that's drilling. Yeah, if it's anything like last time when I was recording and it was thundering and lightning. Shut up. Oh my god. Yeah, as I was saying, anything like last time when I was recording and it was thundering and lightning, I'm going to be pretty terrified because it was right above my head. And it sounded like a really extremely loud gunshot, and it was just horrible. So yeah. And the dog's asleep, so hopefully he'll sleep through it, because I know I won't be able to. Just see what happens. Now I have Peggy's burger. Peg's in there. Peg the burger. Oh! Hello. Oh no! Can't get up. Pack the burger. Pack the burger, Noah. Noah.
Roll, roll down the lane, merrily, 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 gently down the lane.
I should not be able to deal with the cars. to the cars. So many cars.
Not that many cars.
Look, McDonald's.
Roll, roll, rolling, 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 gently down the lane.
Even I can't hear you. Look, McDonald's. McDonald's. McDonald's.
Can't just go like that. Just go whoop.
It doesn't make sense. You should be able to go underground.
Go now, run, 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 run. Go, 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 soldier, go.
F that.
Go, soldier.
Go.
Yeah.
McDonald's.
Do you want to push the button?
Push the button. You push the button. I've got the camera. Mommy, can I push the button? Yay! I pushed the button. Push the button, dude.
Push it only once.
I pushed it like 15 times. Does that count?
Sponsor. See how she eats it?
I don't know what.
It.
I just stick it in my mouth. Fuck. I don't drink any special. Can I drink my drink, please?
Yeah.
Fine, I'll close my eyes. I won't look at you. I can't do it when you're going. Get your own, buddy. Oh fuck, that went up my nose. That went up my nose.
See, it's warm and it's dark. Suddenly it's kind of raining. In this weather you have a lot of thunder.
That was not a good feeling. I felt like my nose went cold and fizzy.
Cold and fizzy nose.
As long as it doesn't start thundering and lightning like it did earlier, and do what it likes.
I'm trying to get no wind in the microphone, so... Dude! It's zoomed in. Oh. Anyways.
3 minutes!
Yippee!
Sponsored by McDonald's.
Oh, look what Linda just did.
Sorry,
Oh, you can't see it in the...
Sorry,
Should I put my lens high? Did you see it raining very hard? We're going to the Bazaar. We're gonna have sex in the bus. Come on, join the party. Sex in the bus. Come on, join the party with Linda.
Pardon?
You're joining the party?
I wouldn't say I am the party.
Oh, no party. Are you partying?
Beep. Boop.
Come on down to the dawn of the world. Let's take that path through the atmosphere and give 4,000 answers to all of your questions, and maybe it will all become clear.